What's going on? Ankush Mittal here. In today's video, sometimes they pay instantly. What's going on? Ankush Mittal here. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make over $1,000 per day with affiliate marketing. Even if you are broke, you do not have any money to invest. Okay? If you are very much excited to know how to do that, then smash the like button now. And if you are new to the channel, you'll find videos on this channel related to business, related to entrepreneurship, and related to making money online. So if you are into those things, you should go below and subscribe now. And after that, you can also comment like I have subscribed, so that I can really welcome you to the channel, because you are now a part of the family. Okay, so now without being delayed, let's start it. How you can make up to $30,000, that means about $1,000 every single day with affiliate marketing as complete broke. Okay, you literally, it's that easy, just people are just making it very hard. Okay. I'm just saying $1,000 as a number. You can make a lot more than this. Okay. What do you need to do? First of all, you need to create an opt-in page. You can create an easily within 5 minutes. Just a drag and drop with the get response and with Builderall, or you can also do this. There are lots of tools outside. You can go with the get response, it's 1 month free, and you can go with the MailChimp, it's about 1,000 subscribers, it's free. It's an automated email service. Okay, if you are not aware, so you can literally sign up to both of these, because over here you do not need to invest any money. Okay, and now how are you gonna to get the traffic, so that you will be generating the leads, and from leads you are gonna to make a bunch of money. Okay, After you have created an opt-in page, let's say this is your opt-in page, and over on the opt-in page you need to provide something kind of training so that people will be attracted, like your guide to make your first $100 a day online, so that more and more guys will be attracted. You need to give something something valuable to them, only then they will come to you. Okay, that's the one thing. You need to give value, a lot of value, so that they will be amazed with you. Okay, but how are you, after you have created opt-in page, you have created training over here, what do you need to do? You need to drive traffic, and I'm going to tell you the secret ways. Although the platforms will be different, same, but the method will be secret. We are going to utilize first of all YouTube. You do not need to create literally any videos over here. Let's say we are going to search on the YouTube just like how to earn $1,000 with affiliate marketing. Okay, you will find a bunch of videos over here. This guy's video is having 1 million views, and furthermore there are lots and lots of views. But what I will recommend you to go with the videos which are newly published about 1 month ago, 7 weeks ago, or 1 week ago. You can do it over here, and you can do this week over here. So you will find the videos which are published now. Okay, so look at this. He is having about 16,000 views. Okay, just go to the channel. I'm not saying to just spam it. As you can see, for example, this guy might be having a lot of subscribers, just like 1 million subscribers, 100.
What's up, everybody? My name's Anthony Alfonso. If you're
who are having a bunch of, no, this is not going to work. Just like in the previous, let me just show you. This guy is having over 100,000 subscribers. You need to go to the video, and you do not need to spam out. I'm not telling you to spam. Never ever spam. It is not going to work for you. This guy is having 100,000 subscribers.
In this video, I'm going to share how I make over $1,000 per.
Sorry, he's not going to get time to reply to the every single comment. Okay, he's not going to reply. So what you need to do, just go to the comment box over here, and you will see that there are lots of guys who are asking a lot of questions, just like how to make $100 a day online. Is anyone having any free guide? You can just tell them that here is the free guide to make over $100 every single day online. But do not just spam. Give them first value what they are answering, and then you can just do like you can try out this method. This training has really helped me a lot. So you just do not need to spam. Just help them. The more and more you are going to help, the more and more value you will provide, the more and more money you will make. That's one of the big secret of the industry that everyone is not telling you. Okay, so you are really going to go with this, and if you are going to go, let's say you are just going to go and making about 100 comments every single day. If you are going to do properly, those are laser targeted traffic, and with that, out of 100 comments, all of the 100, not only 100, but a lot of other commenters are also going to see. Look at this, 14 replies, 15 replies. Just your one comment, you are going to get 10 plus replies, 5 plus replies. Okay, so if you are going to do 100 comments every single day, there are chances that 70, you will get 70 to your opt-in page. And if your opt-in page converts up to 50%, you can easily get, just keep it simple. Okay, if you want me to create how to create an opt-in page that highly converts, let me know down in the comment section. I'll do it for you. Okay, so if your opt-in page converts at the 50%, you are going to get about 35 leads every single day. 35 leads, that means about just 1,000 leads from YouTube. If you are going to go with the 100 comments every single day, it is going to just take you 30 minutes. And if you can't do work this much, then you cannot make money online. That's truth. Okay, you just need to give 30 minutes, and you will be generated over 1,000 leads just from the YouTube. Remember this. This is from YouTube only. The second thing, you are going to use the Quora.com. I'm going to tell you a secret of the Quora. Do not just skip the video over here. You just need to go to the Google and type whatever you make. For example, lose weight. You need to write down the Quora. Okay, just write down the Quora. So it is going to show the results of the Quora.com. Okay, and the best part of the Quora is whatever the answers will be. For example, how to lose weight, they are going to rank in the Google, because Quora is having high authority domain. So you will get a tons and tons of traffic, and the answers will be there for lifetime. So you will be start getting traffic for the lifetime. Okay, you will there are thousands and thousands of answers which are getting thousands of views every single day. That's really true. You need to come over here and just change the time over here, go in the tools and change the time like past week, so that your answer is new and your question is new for which you are answering, and everyone is waiting. The more and more they are going to wait, the more and more money you will make. For example, if you are going to go and answer 100 questions every single day, you will be having 3000 questions, and out of 3000, just 1%, that means just 30 are going to go get just 1000 views. That means 30,000 views, and out of just 30,000 we are just taking just 3,000 are gonna to come to your landing page, and 100,000 will convert. I'm taking bare minimum this time, so you are not gonna to complain that you are taking too much conversions. So 1000 here from Quora and 1000 from the YouTube, and thereafter you need to go to the, this is one of the big secret over here, Instagram. Okay, what you need to do is on the Instagram, just go and follow the big accounts. Okay, what you can do is just go and see what are they posting, just post the same post again and give him the credit. You will see that you will get a tons and tons of followers. And if you are gonna to do some things like follow about 100 people every single day, and do 100 comments every single day, do 100 likes every single day, you will see that after a bunch of days, not after a bunch of days, but after about after a month, you will see that you're going to get about tons and tons of traffic from the Instagram. Tons. That means at least there will be 10,000 followers of yours if you are going to do all these things. Just do one post that is popular on the Instagram, and you can copy the tags of the most popular guys. Okay, you can do anything over here, and you just need to do one thing. Just keep the link of your opt-in page in the description. Okay, and every 2 or 3 days you can do one thing. Every 2 or 3 days you can post your post like want free training to make how to make $100. Just click the link in the bio, and you will see that you will be generating over a tons and tons of traffic. And if you are gonna to provide valuable comments, you are gonna to get at least thousands as opt-ins, because Instagram is really having highly engaged followers. If you are gonna to create that, okay, you are gonna to really get massive amount of followers from there. Okay, so you can literally start getting thousands of leads. Okay, if you are having any problem, let me know in the comment. I'm gonna to solve it. Okay, so you are getting about 1000 from YouTube, and 1000 from Insta, and you are getting about 1000 from Insta. So basically you are and 1000 from Quora.com. Okay, and 1000 from Quora. So you are getting about 3000 email, 3000 list, 3000 an email list over 3000 members just in a month. And basically every email is worth over $3 at least. If you are going to keep good relation, they will be over more than $10. We are just taking it as $3. So you have made over $9,000 now. Okay, $9,000. And now invest this $9,000 back into the paid traffic. Back into the paid traffic like Facebook ads or whatever. Or you can do this again in the next month. Again you will be having 3000 more list. That means about you will be having 6,000 list. With that 6,000 list, you will be making $18,000. And when you are going to invest these 9,000 and these $18,000, you are going to having a massive list of over 20 to 30,000 members. And some of my friends have made even a list of 50k members from using these free traffic sources, and they are making over $1 million every single year. That's the power, guys. You just need to take the action. I am here to give you the methods, but the action is in your hand. Sometimes you are not going to get results on the first day. Just be persistent, be consistent, be patient. You will get big results. And if there is any problem, let me know down in the comment box. I am here for you. I am always here for you. Okay. So if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe the channel for daily videos like this. And at last, thanks for watching.